You've been told sit-ups are the answer. They're not. A 2-minute plank does something completely different to your body after 50, something most people completely overlook. Here's the honest truth about what actually happens when you hold that position every single day. Most people over 50 are losing the battle against their own body, not because of age, because of inactivity in the right muscles. The plank isn't a trendy fitness move, it's a structural reset. 2 minutes a day quietly rebuilds the foundation, holding everything together: your spine, your posture, your movement. And once you understand why it works, you won't skip another day. Back pain is the #1 reason people over 50 slow down and eventually stop moving altogether. Research from the Journal of Orthopedic and Sports Physical Therapy confirms that isometric core training significantly reduces chronic lower back pain. Not by stretching it, not by cracking it, by building a structural shield around your vertebrae that absorbs the daily punishment your spine takes. Here's what most people don't realize. Back pain isn't usually a back problem. It's a core problem. When your stabilizing muscles are weak, your vertebrae grind against each other with every step, every twist, every hour spent sitting. The plank activates those deep stabilizers, muscles no crunch will ever reach. Think of it as internal scaffolding. 2 minutes of holding that position starts tensioning the muscles that wrap around your spine like a corset. People who commit to this report standing longer, sleeping better, and waking up without that familiar morning stiffness. And that's just the beginning of what this hold does to your body. Forget the six-pack fantasy. What actually matters after 50 is what's underneath: the deep abdominal wall. A study published in Medicine and Science in Sports and Exercise found that isometric exercises like the plank activate the transverse abdominis at rates traditional crunches simply can't match. That's the muscle that wraps around your midsection like a natural weight belt. But here's where it gets interesting. This isn't about aesthetics. That deep muscular density physically supports your internal organs, reducing the soft belly effect that has nothing to do with fat and everything to do with structural weakness. Most people chase surface muscles while their foundation crumbles underneath. The visible result? A flatter, firmer midsection, not from losing weight, but from muscles finally doing their job. 2 minutes a day starts rebuilding that internal structure. People notice their clothes fit differently, their posture shifts, their midsection feels solid instead of loose. And that density isn't just cosmetic, it's protective armor your body carries every single day. Here's a brutal truth. That forward slouch you've developed isn't laziness. It's your body adapting to years of weak core muscles. That belly forward, shoulders rounded posture most people over 50 accept as inevitable. It's not inevitable. It's correctable. And the fix isn't what you think. Here's what most people don't realize. Posture isn't about reminding yourself to stand up straight. That never works long term. Real postural correction happens when the muscles responsible for alignment are strong enough to hold your frame in place automatically. The plank directly retensions your midsection, pulling your pelvis, spine, and shoulders back into vertical alignment. Without you thinking about it, 2 minutes a day acts like a biological reset button. People who commit consistently report that others notice something's different. They look taller, more confident, more present. That's not motivation talk. That's your skeletal structure finally being held where it belongs. And when your posture realigns, something else quietly improves too. Something most people never connect to core strength. This one surprises people. Flexibility and core strength sound like opposites. One is about loosening up, the other about locking in. But your nervous system doesn't see it that way. When your core is weak, your brain perceives your body as unstable. And an unstable body is a protected body, meaning your nervous system literally restricts your range of motion to prevent injury. Here's what most people don't realize. That stiffness in your hips, hamstrings, and lower back isn't always a flexibility problem. It's a security problem. Your brain is limiting movement to protect a foundation it doesn't trust. Strengthen that foundation with the plank, and your nervous system starts releasing those restrictions, unlocking mobility you thought age had stolen from you. The result feels almost unfair. Same body, more movement. People report bending easier, reaching further, climbing stairs without that familiar tightness, not because they stretched more, because their core finally gave their brain a reason to let go. 2 minutes a day isn't just building strength, it's buying back freedom of movement, and that changes everything about how you live. 2 minutes. That's all it takes to start reversing years of structural damage. Back pain, weak muscles, poor posture, lost mobility. The plank quietly addresses all of it from the inside out, not because it's magic, because it targets the foundation everything else depends on. If this changed how you think about core training, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. We break down exactly what works for people over 50, without the fluff, without the gimmicks. Just real results backed by real evidence. You're not too old to rebuild, you're just getting started.